Hello everybody, sitting in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A23, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can turn on the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So basically, if we'll go to the settings, enter the sound and vibration category, and we'll open the sound quality and effects page, we'll be able to see that the Dolby Atmos toggles are great, so they are unfortunately unavailable, which basically is caused by the fact that the default speaker on this device does not support the Dolby Atmos feature. So if you would like to turn it on, you gotta either connect your smartphone to the external speaker, should it be an JBL speaker, through Bluetooth, or you can also use the wired headphones with it. So for instance, I have this little Bluetooth speaker with me, so I'll just go ahead and connect it to my Samsung Galaxy real quick, and after that we'll be able to turn on the Dolby Atmos. So seems like everything is connected together. So once I'll get back to the Dolby Atmos page, as you can see, now it allows me to turn on both the Dolby Atmos like general feature and Dolby Atmos for gaming. You can also tap on the body of the Dolby Atmos option, and in here choose the particular preset that you would like to use, or leave it in automatic mode so it will automatically switch to the best preset for any particular situation. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.